ready to transform chaotic customer interactions into smooth, personalized experiences. Today, we're diving into Aisensy to unlock the power of flows while your key to crafting interactive conversations directly within the app. First, navigate to the Flows section in your Aisensy dashboard, usually found on the left-hand side. This is your command center for all things automated conversations. Next, click on the Create Flow button. It's typically bright and easy to spot. This action will open up the Flow Builder, where the magic happens. You will see a canvas. Every flow begins with a start trigger. You can initiate a flow based on keywords, user actions, or even specific time triggers. Now, drag and drop a message node from the node library onto the canvas. Connect the start node to this message node by dragging a line between them. This message node will send the first message to your customer. Click on the message node to configure it here. You'll write the message you want to send. You can personalize this with customer data using variables provided by Aisensy. Next, let's add a question node to make our flow interactive. Drag and drop this node from the node library and connect it to the previous message node. Configure the question node. Write your question and add multiple answer options. Aisensy supports various input types like text, buttons, and drop-downs. Now, based on the customer's answer, you can direct them to different paths. Connect each answer option to a different message node, creating a tailored experience. Repeat the process of creating nodes, configuring them, and connecting them to build out your desired flow. Once you are happy with your flow, click the Save button. Make sure to give your flow a descriptive name. Finally, activate your flow to make it live. You can typically find an Activate toggle or button now. Your Aisensy flow is ready to engage customers and streamline your communication.